Well, she's not kicking too good before the adjustment, so we'll see how she does afterwards. And let's see. Well, she's still not kicking a lot. Okay, so put your hands on your tummy. Okay. Now I want you just to breathe through your nose. Make sure you keep your teeth together and closed. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir?
Feel good.
That wasn't as dramatic or bad as you thought, was it? Yeah, you are. You're good.
My hands here?
No, you just put them right here on your tummy.
Oh, okay.
And just keep your teeth together. Breathe through your nose. There's got one more. Had to do a double dinger on you today. You felt that all the way down though, didn't you?
Gotta try
I know.
sometimes.
I hear that all the time. You know what tried is, right? Alright. You know how like Yoda says, do not try, do. There we go.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Keep breathing. Look at there. You're still kicking. You're alright.
Oh my God, my spine.
Yep. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're going to be a crack addict's dream. Okay, now, keep your teeth together. Just breathe through your nose.
Oh my
yeah.
gosh.
Uh-huh.
Oh wow.
That's a wow adjustment.
Ouch.
Good job.
Oh, it's like I can't even breathe. Oh.
There you go. Okay. We're going to do this nice and smooth for Martha. Mm-hmm. Exhale. There you go. Mm-hmm. There you go. Good.
Ay, doctor, me mató. Ay, you killed me, doctor.
Oh, you're still kicking. You're all right. That just is breaking loose those old fibrotic adhesions and scar tissue that develops in there. Okay. There you go. Here, let me have you, hon. Wiggle your left big toe. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. I'm going to have you breathe through your nose. Keep your teeth together and just relax. Oh, yeah. There we go. Yep. Now, you should have felt that all the way down your spine, Ann.
Yeah.
Did you? You're still kicking. You're all right. Keep breathing. There you go. Put your hands on your tummy and relax. Let me have your head. There you go. Good girl. Good job. Noisy all over, aren't you? Which is really counterproductive for physiological function. Just like that. Good job. It's getting easier. Even though that might look like it really hurts, it's great. Okay, we're going to put this under your skull and your chin. Take a nice breath through your nose and just relax and exhale. Just like that. Yep.
Yes.
Uh-huh. Did you feel that all the way down, Richard?
Oh, man.
To your toes?
Oh, yeah.
Hang on 1 second. I'm not done yet. Okay, there you go. Let me have you kind of tilt right a little. Look at that. Same here. You've got a lot of scar tissue and fibrotic adhesions down in there and in and around where you had that fusion done. So. There. Get this under your skull. Okay, Carrie, just breathe through your nose for me, hon, and just keep your teeth together. There we go. Be like David, bite your tongue.
Oh, that feels good.
Yep. That is good, isn't it? I mean, a lot of people really want to know what this is like the first time or two that you have this. So when we get done, I'll let you tell them what it feels like. There we go. That's it, boy. You're gonna be a crack addict, favorite. Because normally the pins are locking in your pelvis here to stop you from moving. I get all the movement in your spine. But I still, with the high velocity, low amplitude adjustment.
That was really
Yeah.
That was
Now look,
unique.
what did he move? About 2 feet?
Yeah, that was unique though. That was a lot different.
Do you feel it all the way down still?
Yeah,
Yep.
I did. Yeah, that was extraordinary.
His towel is being wrapped around his occiput and his mandible. Okay, just breathe normal. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. And that's why we call it ring dinger. You felt that all the way down, didn't you? Hang on, I'm not done yet. Okay. Oh yeah. Drop this one right in my hand here. There we go. Got it. Good job. Now you should have felt that from your skull all the way down to your pelvis, did you?
I felt that down my soul.
Yeah, just breathe through your nose. Oh yeah, very good.
That was money.
I went ahead and held your head on that one so it wouldn't fall over the end of the table. Go ahead and slide back down. There you go. Did you feel that all the way down still?
Yeah,
Good.
that was money.
That's the money shot.
That's the money shot.
Okay, I got you. Tilt your head right for me. Perfect. Now tilt left. That's it. Boy. You're one of the most cooperative patients you got. Let's come over here on your tummy. There. Yep.
Well, I'm locked in pretty good. I
You
think.
locked in there already? Not gonna get away.
I don't think I'm gonna get
Well,
away.
she's not kicking too good before the adjustment, so we'll see how she does afterwards. Okay. Wrap this right around her occiput. And she's just gonna breathe normal. I'll catch her. Just like that. Did you feel that all the way down?
Uh-huh.
Yep. And let's see. Well, she's still not kicking a lot.
Yeah, that's pretty intense for me.
Okay, drop this one in my hand. That's it. Oh yeah, good. Nice deep breath in. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You feel that all the way down?
Oh yeah, all the way down.
Look at there. You got good
Still kicking.
reflexes. Still kicking.
Oh.
That's it. Okay, let me have you kind of tilt your ear to your left shoulder. Just like that.
Oh.
Right. There you go. Now, there we go. Okay, I got you in there good and tight this afternoon, Tony. Just breathe normal. Yes, sir.
Oh, bloody hell.
Boy. Bloody hell.
Yeah. I can say I felt that one.
You felt that one
Yeah,
deeper?
so much.
Slide down just a little bit for me if you can. There you go. Sorry about that.
That's me.
We got you in there tight today.
Yeah.
But he's still kicking, folks.
That's good. That's good.
Okay, relax this in my hand. I think Tony's spine, out of the hundreds of thousands of spines that I have adjusted in my 36-year career, Tony's spine has to be one of the most complex. Okay, I'm just going to get your hair out of the way. Now just breathe through your nose easily. You don't need to take deep ones, and just relax your hands on your tummy. There you go. There we go. Keep breathing. There we go. Keep breathing. You're still kicking your eye. I know it's a little traumatic on the first one.
It's painful, but
we're
it feels
breaking
good.
scar tissue loose down there near the back lumbosacral region. That's probably where you're getting a lot of your radiculopathy from. Yeah, just relax your head in my hands here. There we go. That a girl. Good job. Mine too. Okay, nice easy breath. Keep your teeth together. Oh yeah. Now you should have felt that all the way down.
That is no joke. Oh,
Nope.
God.
You're still kicking your good.
Everybody's on the computer today.
That's true. Oh yeah. Smooth as silk. She's a lot better than a lot of the big men. She didn't scream a bit. Alright. we go. Yeah, let me have your neck. Just like that. Perfect. She's a little camera shy, so. Okay, just keep your teeth together on this one. And just put your hands right here and relax. Pray. There you
Oh
go.
my gosh. That was
I
a
heard
good one.
that.
That was a good one.
That's why we call it ring dinger. You should have felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
Now, keep your teeth together and just breathe through your nose. Mm-hmm. And just like that.
God.
Yep. Home run. Keep breathing.
Oh.
Breathe deep through your nose and out through your mouth. You're still kicking. You're good. Keep breathing, though. I know that's sore. There you go. Keep breathing. In through your nose, out through your mouth. There you go. I know that's tender. That'll take that pinching off that nerve, though. Let your head go in my hand here now. There you go. Let me have you. There you go. I still got one here. I want you to tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. That's better. Okay. Chiropractor, her and Jeremy's chiropractor up in Washington State, Dr. Dam. There we go. Boy, that was a full tilt, Diva. Yeah. You're still attached. Whew. Boy, that was much more solid than this morning's even. But then Renee made up for it this afternoon. There we go. Yes, sir. I know you felt that all the way
Oh
down.
man, that's
That's a home run.
Definitely makes your head ring.
And Justin is the product engineer. He said it was fine if I dropped the pins. It wasn't going to hurt him. I mean, these things are
Still
heavy.
kicking.
These things are heavy.
Yeah, they're
I mean,
8
so
pounds
I'm not
apiece.
going to bend over and lay it down softly every time.
It's not gonna hurt.
You hear that? He says it's not going to hurt him. There you go. I mean, they're made out of titanium, so these should be pretty good. So you're going to feel this wet tail under your skull and your chin. Keep your teeth together. Take a breath through your nose. Just like that. Now, you should have felt that all the way down.
God,
Did you?
I did. Oh crap.
Keep breathing. There you go. You're still kicking. All right. That's why we call it ring dinger. Okay, now I'm going to adjust your neck, so just let your head relax in my hand.
Oh
Yeah.
God.
There we go.
Oh,
Here,
God.
put your hands right here and relax. Okay, wiggle your left big toe and think about something else. There you go.
Oh God.
Yes, sir. You didn't know you were that noisy, did you? Okay, nice deep breath in. Let all your air out and relax.
Oh,
Yeah.
son of a...
Did you feel that all the way down?
Oh, yeah.
Did you feel it all the way down here? Okay. Yeah, see, he's still kicking. He's fine. Okay. I think Francis's review is one of the best 5-star reviews we've ever gotten. There we go. Super. Felt that all the way down, didn't you? There you go. I didn't leave anything undone there, did I? No, don't go away yet.
Yes, sir.
I still got to do the Palmer Diversified Rotary Brake on you. Yep.
Wow.
Just like that. Perfect.